Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are gonna input 10 numbers and print the prime numbers from the list. So our aim is to input 10 numbers into list. So first we will declare here a list. So I have declared a variable in lst in which I have declared a list. So after this, using for loop, I will input 10 numbers and append those numbers into this list. So I have already explained this into many videos and tutorials. So you can check those for explanation. I am not gonna explain here. So moving to the next one. So this is how you can append those numbers into this list. After that, we have to check the conditions from the prime number. So we are gonna take out every number from the list. So we will like here for num in lst. For it, I have printed here prime numbers. And after this, I will take out those prime numbers. So I have written here for num in lst if num is greater than 1. As if num is less than 1, there will be a negative number. So we will neglect all those negative numbers. So if this is true, we will also, or can say, declare a for loop which will check if the number is greater than 1, then this for loop will check if that number is starting from 2 and starting from the 2, this will go till that number and then check if number is modulus I, means this will check the every numbers from the, let us say we have the number 5. So first it will check if this is divisible by 1. So yes, it is. And then it will check. Okay. So this will not check with the 1 as we are starting from the 2. And then this will check with the 3. Is that divisible? So it is not divisible. Then we'll check with 4, not divisible. Then check with 5. It is divisible. So if that's so, we will break. And else, we will print that number as prime number. So this is the program which you can write into Python to do this. Let me run this program. Okay. So let's input 10 consecutive numbers. Here I will also give a negative number. Here's 2 and then 10. So here you can see the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, which is correct. So this is how you can write a program in Python to input 10 numbers into a list and check for the prime numbers from that list. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.